Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, I'm going off the normal path, sorry. We're diving into the world of music to explore what many consider the 3 best albums of all time. Let's get started. 1. Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band by the Beatles, 1967. Impact, widely regarded as one of the most influential albums in music history. It redefined rock music and introduced innovative production techniques. Highlights: key tracks include Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds, A Day in the Life, and With a Little Help from My Friends. Legacy: the album's experimental approach and artistic depth have left a lasting legacy on the music industry. Sources: consistently ranked high in lists like Rolling Stone's 500 Greatest Albums of All Time. 2. Thriller, by Michael Jackson, 1982. Impact, the best-selling album of all time, with sales exceeding 66 million copies. It catapulted Michael Jackson into global superstardom. Highlights: iconic songs such as Billie Jean, Thriller, and Beat It. Legacy: known for its groundbreaking music videos and production quality, Thriller set new standards in pop music. Sources: frequently cited in top album lists, praised for its broad appeal and lasting influence. 3. The Dark Side of the Moon by Pink Floyd, 1973. Impact, one of the best-selling albums worldwide, known for its profound influence on rock music. Highlights: memorable tracks include Money, Time, and Us and Them. Legacy: celebrated for its philosophical themes, innovative use of studio effects, and complex compositions. It remained on the Billboard charts for a record 741 weeks. Sources: often ranks highly in greatest album lists by publications such as Rolling Stone and NME. And there you have it. The top 3 best albums of all time according to critics and fans alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.